Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you the utmost cheapest wire stripper you can make. Sorry, no, you can't make it. You just have to buy it. No, you don't need to buy it. You have it at home. I reviewed a whole lot of different wire strippers in a previous video, but none of them is cost effective when stripping short lengths of multi-stranded wire like these. It takes too much time to place it in the cutter, screw in the screw, position it, pull and all that. It's not worth it. So I have accumulated a whole lot of short bits of wire waiting to find the best way to do this. But now I have the tool and the proper method. It's the cheapest you will find, and you have it in your kitchen. A carving knife. Not too big and not too sharp, like these. Just sharp enough to cut into the PVC without cutting into the copper too easily, and with a good handle so you can grip it firmly. The main problem with very sharp horizontal blades when it comes to stripping wires is that the blade tends to dive into the copper and gets caught there. With single strand wires, the knife will get stuck there and either won't budge or it will cut the wire. With multi-strand wires, it will cut the wire or will just make a mess. But if you're able to control the angle of attack, that is, you just cut through the PVC without touching the copper, you can go a long way stripping multi-strand wires. And for this, you need a good grip on the handle and some practice. Additionally, you need the wire to be tense or you'll lose the angle. To get the wire tense, you fix it at one end to a vise or a nail and you pull the other end with pliers. Inevitably, the cuts won't be perfect and some tangling up might happen. But with practice, you can do it with a minimum of issues. But this is only possible with PVC sleeves. Some wires one finds in radios, TV sets and computers have rubber sleeves. These wires that are kind of rubbery in structure, you squash them with your fingers and they feel like rubber, not like plastic. This other plastic, you can't squash it. It's kind of has a shine on it. These aren't shiny, they're pale. And if you get one apart, you can kind of pull it like an elastic. These kind of wires, all you have to do is slice the beginning and you pull it apart. And that's all you have to do with these kind of wires. Very carefully so you don't lose the point there. You have to start over again. And little by little you can get them off. You mustn't try to strip these with a knife because they'll only get into a mess. It's better to do it by hand. That's it. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.